am Dhwani, second year PPT student. Today I am explaining about infection versus inflammation in intestine and pathology. So infection of intestine and intestinal infection happens when harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, parasites or fungi enter and multiply in the gut. Common causes and common virus or bacteria are E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, rotavirus, norovirus, and Amoeba histolytica. This usually causes infectious gastroenteritis. For example, eating contaminated food causes infection of intestine. Inflammation of intestine. Intestinal inflammation means the intestinal tissue becomes irritated, swollen and damaged due to activation of the immune system. It may happen with or without infection. Common inflammatory diseases are Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis or celiac diseases. Causes: autoimmune reaction, immune dysfunction, allergies, toxins or chronic irritation. For example, abnormal immune attack on intestinal lining causes inflammation of intestine. Pathophysiology of infection. When microbes enter, they attach to intestinal walls. Then step 2, they multiply and release toxins. Step 3, the body activates immune defense. Step 4, symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting and fever appears. In the inflammation, step 1, immune cells attacks intestinal tissue. Step 2, chemicals like cytokines are released. Step 3, tissue swelling, redness, ulceration may develop. Step 4, chronic damage may occur. Signs and symptoms of E. coli: bloody diarrhea, not passing of the urine, fever, stomach cramps, confusion, shivers and chills, vomiting. So inflammation versus infection. Inflammation can be caused by non-living agents. Infection is caused by the invasion of cells by microorganisms. Inflammation is always present with infection. A suppressed infection can occur with inflammation. Infection is not always present with inflammation. Types: intestinal infections. It is of 3 types: acute bacterial infection, viral gastroenteritis, parasitic infection. Intestinal inflammation. It is of 3 types: acute inflammation, chronic inflammation and autoimmune inflammation. Treatment: for infection, it depends on the cause. Oral rehydration, antibiotics only if bacterial and needed, antiparasitic medicines, rest and nutrition. For inflammation, anti-inflammatory drugs, steroids, immunosuppressive medicines, biological therapy in severe cases. So, this is the difference between infection and inflammation. Cause: infection is caused by microorganisms and inflammation is caused by immune or inflammatory reactions. Onset: infection is usually sudden. Inflammation is often gradual or chronic. Fever is seen in infection, it is very common. Inflammation may or may not occur. Duration: in infection it is usually short. In inflammation it is often long term. Treatment: in infection, antimicrobials or fluids. In inflammation, anti-inflammatory therapy. For example, eating contaminated food can cause infection in intestine, and abnormal immune attack on intestinal lining can cause inflammation in intestine. Thank you.